Talk to me.
Hey girl, hey, welcome back to my channel. I am lachelletrends, and sis, in today's video I'm coming to you with a wig review slash install on this unit you see me wearing right here. This unit was sent to me from UNice. I will have them and this unit linked in the description box below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. On my channel I do hair videos, fashion videos, as well as playing makeup, so go ahead and join the gang, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can be notified of each video I post. So yeah girl, let's jump into it. Okay, so the wig came in this package. So cute. I believe this is like the package for the actual wig, like the hair, like it, you know, what it comes in. Anyway, it's still cute. And then here is the box. And inside of the box, y'all, came, girl, okay, hold on. Came the hair itself. And then what just came out of the thing that was real hard is this little box, which is so cute. I'm not, girl, why was I doing that? Oh, this is so cute. These are some little earrings with their logo on it. I don't know, and it says UNice. How cute. I knew it had to be in some type of jewelry. At first I thought, I don't know why I did this. I thought it was like an insert. I don't know. Anyway, so then we have some cute little lashes, and then a wig cap. I think that's all that fell when I grabbed this wig. And then inside of the box as well is another bag with the same stuff. The eyelash, another wig cap, and then a makeup brush. So y'all, let's get into this unit. Okay, y'all, we finally got it out. This is the unit. The color is pretty. Girl, yes, get into this color. Perfect for the summertime. Super cute, like this blonde highlighted, well, brown and blonde highlight. I don't know. I'll have all of the details once we jump further into the video, per usual. But yeah, she is really pretty. This is, I want to say their 6x4 wear and go unit. This is what the front looks like. Real cute. And then this is the inside. Here is the parting space. As you can see, it has two combs on either side, a comb at the bottom, along with this elastic band. And lately, they've been coming with this grip around the perimeter, and I guess it's supposed to like really stick to your head and just make it secure, besides having the adjustable straps. So yeah, and it's been working. Like all of my units lately have been with this grip tape at the bottom, and girl, it works. And then as well, we have, you know, the breathable cap, which is real cute. But yeah, this is the unit one more time. The ends of the hair is fresh, and it has a slight smell, but nothing unbearable. Like, it smells like hair, really. But yeah, she's cute, and we're gonna go ahead and put her on. So first I'm gonna start off by using my lace tinting spray. This is the brand that I use. It's a brand called Red, if my camera will adjust. Okay, yeah. So this is the brand. It's called Red, and it's in the shade medium dark brown. I'm just gonna shake it up. And no, I did not bleach the knots to this unit. I just think it's pointless, because every time I bleach a blonde unit or a colored unit, period, it never takes, and it's just a waste of my time. So I'm just gonna spray it with this lace tint. Ooh, girl. Y'all, I'm not even about to wear a wig cap. I never really do, But just if you're new here, I'm not gonna wear a wig cap. I'm gonna try to use this elastic band. I never really use the elastic band, but since it's glueless, I want it to be as tight as possible. So okay, y'all, she's pretty snug. She's not like that tight, but she's like tight enough to where it ain't gonna move that much. I could tighten the band just a little bit, but I don't want it to be too tight. So yeah, now I'm gonna go in using my Black Radiance contour palette. This is in the shade medium to dark, and I'm gonna mix these two powders, and it kind of gives me my perfect shade, and just pat that in because the tint did not complete the job. So now I'm gonna go in using my wax stick. Again, I got this from my local beauty supply store. It just says 24-hour edge tamer, and I believe you can get this at Walmart too. Like, Walmart is slick, like coming up in every aspect. Anyway, and then y'all, we just gonna hot comb this down so we can lay it flat. Okay, y'all, we looking really good. Now I'm just gonna go in and add some curls. It's already like this body wave, and I just want to add some big curls. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do, and I'm gonna use my Got To Be glue as like a holding spray. Okay, bounce and curl. I'm gonna hot comb the front just a little more, just to get it looking a little bit more seamless. Okay, y'all, now I'm gonna add some Fructis serum just to eliminate some of the frizz. Ooh, and add just like a little bit of shine. It just kind of basically tames the hair. Yeah, look how silky that is versus this side. And especially with blonde hair, you kind of want to add a little bit of moisture to it so it's not as dry. Not saying that the hair was dry, because I think the hair was, like, you know, not dry for the most part. Okay sis, this is what the unit turned out looking like. We're cute. We are definitely summertime ready. Again, this is a glueless unit. Let me go ahead and show you right there, and we just gonna plop her right back on. As you can see, I didn't add any baby hairs. I've been going through like this no baby hair phase. I just want effortless hair. Just, I don't know, I'm just going for simplicity. So yeah, no baby hairs added. But we are looking really good. Now you can see the lace just a little bit, maybe not from where I'm sitting at. It probably looks like seamless, but it is lifted just a little bit. And it's not that tight on my head. And when I did do it just a little tighter, you can still see it just a little bit, but it's not bad. Let me see if you can see it. It's not bad at all. But if somebody is directly looking at you, you can see the line. But for the most part, I think it's super cute, especially because it's like a 10-minute install. Like, definitely beginner friendly. You can just plop this on your head, no plucking, no bleaching or anything. Just spray it with some lace tip, put it on your head, style it up, curl it, whatever you want to do to it, and girl, you are ready. Like, this is 10-minute tops, quick and easy, and it's just so cute. And the color, sis, the color is so pretty. These highlights, and it actually looks good on my skin tone. I was a little skeptical, but it looks so good. Let me turn around and show y'all the back. Don't talk about my top. We do still have the tag on my shirt, but she's cute and she's fairly long too. Y'all, I'm just excited about this hair. Okay, so let's push it back up to the front. Again, this is from UNice Hair. This is their Wear and Go 6x4 pre-cut lace wig. It's in the color Honey Blonde Highlight Body Wave, and it's 24 inches. It doesn't say the density, but I want to say it's maybe 150% density because it's not too thick and it's not too thin. It's literally the perfect density, and I just, girl, I love it. Again, it's not that tight on my head, so it does go back a little bit, but for the most part, it is such a pretty unit. You can run your finger straight through this hair, especially after adding that serum. That serum makes everything better, and I do recommend either some serum or like some oil sheen, just because this is a blonde unit, just to give it a little bit of moisture. It wasn't a dry unit or whatever, but just because it does have that color, once you add in that serum, it kind of just makes it like very flowy and movie, and not so dry. But yeah, y'all, real cute. The ends of this hair is good. I haven't received any shedding, and again, y'all, I didn't do anything but take this unit out of the wig, so I didn't wash it or anything. So straight out of the package, it's just really pretty. Again, it had a slight smell to it, but nothing unbearable. And yeah, it's just a real nice unit. If you don't like that little line, because again, you can see it just a tad bit, I recommend probably putting some mousse and maybe putting the bands around it, and maybe it'll go down. The only reason why I didn't try it is because I've already tried it on multiple units and it just never works for me, but it may work for you. Maybe you have a different technique, but it doesn't work for me. But again, it's not bad. It's not bad at all. Definitely really cute. So yeah, y'all, I'll have it linked in the description box below if you want to get your hands on it. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video, sis. Bye.